In this video, I'll show you how to use your Ti-84 calculator to perform a hypothesis test using the data method. We'll use this example. To ensure a safe workplace, it is important that workers not be asked to perform tasks such as lifting that exceed their capabilities. The following data on maximum weight of lift in kilograms for a random sample of 8 males aged 18 to 30 is given below. Do the data suggest that the population mean maximum weight of lift exceeds 25 kilograms? Test your hypothesis at the 10% significance level. So because we're given data here, here's what we're going to do. In our calculators, we're going to go to stat, and we're going to make sure we enter the data into a list. So if you notice here, in list 1, I have all these values listed already. Now, once you have the values in a list, the next thing you want to do is you're going to press the stat key, arrow over to test, and again, this is a t-test. So we'll press enter on t-test. For this, we're going to use the data method because we have a list. The data method first wants you to create a hypothesis and use the null or the HO of the hypothesis to set this first part. So our null hypothesis is that mu is equal to 25. And then our alternative for this test, HA, is going to be, it says test your hypothesis at the 10% significance level. They wanted to do the data suggest the population mean maximum weight of lift exceeds. So that means it's greater than. So that'll be HA is mu is greater than or equal greater than 25. So when we set this up, mu 0 will be 25. We have all of our data listed in list 1, so we'll set this to L1. The frequency, leave it at 1. Our alternative is going to be greater than. And we'll arrow down and we'll calculate this. When you calculate this, notice it gives you a t value of 1.1442. And the probability that t exceeds 1.1442 or that p value is equal to 0.1451. And then we're going to test this at the significance level of 10%. So our p value, 0.1451, is greater than 10%. So for this, we're going to fail to reject HO. That means that there is insufficient evidence to support HA. Notice also that your t value is a positive value, 1.1442. And it's positive because if you look here, it also gives you X bar, which is 26.96, which is going to be greater than the 25 that we established. It also gives you the standard deviation here, 4.8512. So you can get all this information from the calculator by running this data method.